On the 8th day of Christmas, Brotham gave to me Misfire by Galaxies, Blade of Justice by Mega 648, Sakupin held by Trust, Shine by a small sock, Crowd Control by Movie Theater, Sweater Weather by VOIT, Miseretta by Dutchy, and Aku by Nageview. Holy fucking shit. Holy shit. What just happened? Okay, I expected to die here, but I didn't expect to just do the whole beginning. Oh, 52. I died to the choke point.
Only 7 inches long. Please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips.
Yeah.
Only 7 inches long. Please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Gotta hit him with his fur.
You beat Terror Rage before Bug did? Ow.
Yeah, like the day
Fucking
before.
kidding me? Because like I expect a bit too early. Okay, can we like not have start positions that just work from the actual copy? Bro?
I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Die. Extra noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Ooh, couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses are Nicky like you told them or till they hee hee. Unzips your baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. So I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, baby sweetie. Gotta hit him with his fur shit. He don't see it coming.
We beat Misfire. So, main copy, 1300, 14. Oops. Wait, no. Yeah, plus. Ooh, quest. Oh, 1357. So about the same. 1357.